Welcome to Chinese Kitchen. Today I am going to show you all how to make South Indian fritters made from black lentils or urad dal. It is usually made in donut shape with a crispy exterior and soft interior. Ingredient for it is black gram 1 glass, which I soaked for 2.5 hours and I have drained and kept. Then the black grain 1/4 glass I have taken and I have grinded into powder, which is kept aside. Onion 1 chopped, green chili 1 chopped, coconut flakes optional, ginger 1 inch chopped, 1 sprig of curry leaf, cooking oil for deep frying, salt to taste, and water. Now I am going to show you all the method. So we have to take like the black lentils and sprinkle some water and grind into a fine paste. Now I have grinded all that black lentils. Now to this I am going to add the ingredients which all I have chopped. That is the onion, ginger, coconut flakes, green chili and the curry leaf. Then mix it all well. And this powder, this black lentils powder, I told you I have taken 1/4 cup and kept it aside because we are adding water to this black lentils and we are doing so the dough becomes loose. So because with the if we grind it without water, our mixie will get spoiled. So I made this powder. So I'm going to add this powder also slowly to this and mix it. So the water contents will get adjusted with this black lentils powder. And you have to beat it very well and make this dough very fluffy. Also add the remaining also and mix well. You can add also the salt, that is half teaspoon up to your taste. Mix all well. Now in like last 10 minutes I was just making it nicely, mixing all and made it very fluffy. So you can see all the air in that is gone. Now we'll on the gas. And we'll keep a cup of water nearby so that when we'll take the dough in the hand, first we'll wet our hand, then take the dough in the hand and make a donut shape and put in the oil for the deep fry. And we'll just pour the oil and we'll allow it to get heated very well. Now I'll show you how to prepare it. So I've added salt and all. I mixed all well, and just wet your hands and just take a small dough to your hand. Then make a center hole like a donut. Then you can see that the oil has been heated well, and you can just slip it over to the oil. In the same way, we'll do the remaining. So after 2 minutes, you can just turn it over and make it fry till it will become slightly brown. Okay, now our this black lentils fritters has become brown, and we will just drain the oil and in the same way and do the remaining. If you want, you can add a tissue and put it on the tissue so that it absorbs the oil. So now our Uzhunnu Vada or black lentils fritters is been ready. You can have as a evening snack, and please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. Thank you very much.